Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
iOS 14 brings great additions like a translation app, picture-in-picture video, and the freedom to change default apps. And while you might notice at first, iOS 14 features some of the biggest changes to iPhone's software in a long time.
Take our lead.
However, you can gain early access to iOS 14 by joining the Apple Beta Software program. Bugs may also make iOS beta software less secure. Hackers can exploit loopholes in security to install malware or steal personal data. And that is why Apple strongly recommend that no one installs beta iOS on their main iPhone.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Apple in June 2020 introduced the latest version of its iOS operating system, iOS 14, which was released on September 16. First and foremost, iOS 14 brings a redesigned home screen that includes support for widgets for the first time 6 days ago.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.